Alright, Susan. The rest of the White family, Mario. We're beginning this entertainment segment of the show. I'm sure that if you made it all the way through the point till right now that you'll be well rewarded with what we have in store for you now. That we have the Warren Children burping contest. Now we'd learned before the festivities that Lorraine here, she can burp at will. We didn't know that, so we're at quite a disadvantage. Lorraine, how can you do this?
How? Or
Well,
do
why
I
don't you demonstrate for us? Look at that. Another one.
Oh my
Pretty
God.
good. Pretty good. Another one.
Unbelievable. She is.
Alright, so she's really got quite an advantage over all of us right here. We're going to dedicate this segment of our show to Jennifer, too. Alright?
Yeah, Jennifer's a big burper.
Well, she enjoys a good burp. We'll just say that. Alright, now we have a can of soda, which we're going to help us out. Do you need a can of soda, Larry?
I'll have some soda.
Okay, alright. Orange Sunkiss for Randy and I.
Ladies and gentlemen, pop your lids.
Alright, here we go. Now what's the key? To drink loud, fast, and with a lot of air, huh?
I think so.
Alright. So
I can hardly burp.
Okay, we'll go for the first burp.
I'm a lousy
And then
burper.
the loudest.
Well, Lori though, she's a.
No, that's your sweatshirt. No, that
That's
doesn't
bound
count.
to happen.
Alright. That's why I switched my sweatshirt. So far, nobody yet. Quit laughing, right? Oh, there was the first one. Alright.
What?
Lori did. Was that a real one for the pop or for your own?
A little combination.
Combination, that's right. We'll do the neatest contestant too.
And a bib.
Oops, I get all over me. I lost that one. Who can drink a can of pop without laughing? Randy's hyperventilating. Oh darn, I felt a burp coming up there. I just took a swallow and pushed it back down. Hey, there goes another one. We gotta get a real loud microphone shattering one.
Oh, throwing up.
Extra points if you throw up. That was a pretty deep one. I'm halfway done already. I have nothing coming up.
I'm telling you, that Sunkiss doesn't very carbonated.
That's right.
It's not.
Well, we got like 3 cases. We gotta drink it up. Here, I'm done. I haven't burped once. You okay? There we go.
I puked first.
I can't believe it. Oh no. Oh no. I'm sorry, we'll have to discontinue this competition at this point. Yeah, one of the contestants is still recovering. We'll award the victory to Lorene.
You said I get extra points.
Well, okay. The burping part of the competition. Randy wins the overall competition because he
Oh yuck! It's all.
Oh, now he's blowing out of his nose. Okay, we won't
Keep it G-rated.
go into any more details. We are keeping this G-rated. So that's the end of the competition for today. I hope it was enjoyable. Lloyd's coming out with the bucket and the rag here to clean things up. Sorry if this might have been offensive to anyone. We
Oh yeah.
We tried to keep a safe, clean competition here, but of course with the competitors that we do have here, you can.
Excuse me.
We can expect things to happen like this once in a while. Randy, how are you doing now? Are you recovering?
I'm feeling much better. However, I can still
There we go.
feel that puke smell on my nose.
Okay, that's enough.
I can't believe it.
You didn't finish your pop yet, did you?
No, I was chugging it pretty good too then.
Lorraine didn't finish hers either. I finished mine, so I got at least a point for finishing my soda first. Randy gets extra bonus points because he actually did vomit. Lorraine, she could.
I also finished my soda.
Randy finished the soda. All right, more points for that. Lorraine, there you go again.
Yeah.
Lorraine, she already had
man.
the burping, I think, part in the bag at the beginning there, since she can burp at will. So we'll stop right here.
Yeah.
And what we're gonna do now, or what I'm gonna do at least, we've got probably maybe 40 minutes left on the tape.